Thought I'd strap on the RHINOWALK panniers to give them a bit of a test run with a bit of weight in them. Haven't got a lot in them. This side here, opposite the exhaust, I've chucked in all my tools and a couple of things. So I might have 4.5 kilos in there, and they're doing okay, fine. Nothing's sort of come apart, nothing's got loose. And this side's probably only got a kilo or two. But they strap on and fit on well and sit okay. So yeah, for now they're good. I have hopped on, there's a bit of a hack. If you buy on the part schematic, they have a big circle around all the rear pannier racks, and you can buy the whole lot for $35 compared to around 117 each, so you get a really good deal. Anyway, the newer ones of these come out, and they've also got a bit of a hoop coming down here to square them off, almost like a normal square pannier. So we'll keep going for a bit of a cruise. Okay, so we're home after 120 k's or so bouncing around dirt tracks and road. Fine. Holds on fine, tight enough. The only rubbing you hear is just the sound of the special material on the pannier. Makes that noise. But yeah, looking forward to the panniers that also have the extension down and back to here, because I'll be able to actually use these ones and cinch it in against the pannier so you don't get too much of the flopping. But all in all, really good. So far we'd like a couple of kilos in here and at least 5 kilos in the other side. It's feeling good. So far so good. Next is to be an overnight trip with them. Okay, so they're back on and fit really good. So as you can see, you've got all this down here now that this sits against. It actually sits right on that rubber. So what I'm going to do with the clip I've done on this side already is that clip you undo, put it over the top, and then it clips in to cinch in. So now it's actually holding it against the base, whereas in the past it was just hanging from the top. So now if you're going over whoops and that, this can move a little bit, but it can't move much because it's actually retained around here. So I'm quite impressed, and they're working how I hoped. Okay, so we're all loaded up. Fair bit, obviously. It just takes up a lot of space, because what you take for one night, you take for 1 week, 2 weeks, basically. Alright, so that's the trip all over. Just washed the bike. Good thing waterproof luggage, you can just wash everything while it's on there, clean all that up. So successful trip. Worked out good. Camping equipment worked well. The RHINOWALK panniers worked really well. They were cinched down nice and tight. They worked really good. Being able to strap them onto that new upgraded pannier at the back so they don't flop around worked really well. So I was really impressed with them because they had a bit of weight. I probably had 20 kilos all up, including the top boxing up here. I put a rock strap over the top of this just to make sure this doesn't wobble, because there's no structure to it really. But it all worked very well. So we'll leave it here. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe, and to the next one. Cheers guys.